Hi folks, Glismall Designs here, and this is part 20 of the HK 1/32nd scale B-25B Mitchell build. So guys, this is what it looks like when you change a J into a B in 1/32nd scale using the HK models, at least as far as I can make it anyhow. Now, I know you're looking at it going, well, she's got no flaps, she's got no engines, the antennas are missing, the bomb bay doors probably are being smushed, and the landing gear are not there. Well, yeah, you're right. Now, at the client's request, he wants to put them on himself when it gets to him. Now, I get it, right? Things in shipping can be damaged, things like that. Yeah, perfect. That's fine. I get it. So maybe in part 21 or the finale video, I'll show those parts off, what they look like, kind of completed but not put on. So when it gets to its destination, hopefully I can get Mr. Briscoe to show those off. Now, I just said the client's name, so that is no longer a mystery of who this is going to. Now, if you've looked in the comment section, you've probably seen him make comments on this all the time. Now, who Mr. Briscoe is that gentleman right there, Mr. Ted Briscoe. Now, he is actually, or was actually, friends with the Doolittle Raiders, Jimmy Doolittle himself, Dick Cole, you name it. He was friends with them since, I believe, the early 80s. Now, if you're interested in talking to him, he's in the chat section. I'm sure he'd be interested in chatting with you if he has some questions for you. So that is who is, I guess, the owner of this model. You could put it that way. So this was slated to go to a museum, and obviously with everything that's going on now, I'm not too sure if that's on hold or whatnot, but this model is Mr. Briscoe's, and it was going with the Doolittle collection. So I just didn't open my mouth before because I didn't want to be halfway through this model and it, breaking or something go wrong and then me looking like a fool, right? So, especially if I didn't know if I could do it, right? Because we are taking a J, putting it into a B, and it wasn't an easy task. And this thing's been through 3 disasters now, right? 2 forest fires on my end and whatever is going on now. If you can tell me what's going on now, then all the power to you. But anyhow, let's have a look here, right? Because the most challenging thing was the tail, and yeah, it doesn't look 100%, I guess, like a B-25B tail, but it's like trying to put a square peg in a round hole, right? Because this design completely changed. So that is fairly close. I mean, I've been doing this for almost 30 years, and that I tried my best. And I mean, I completely made my own mold for the tail glass, and I mean, if you go back in the videos, you'll see how long it took just to get it to this point. So I hope that looks great. I hope you're happy, and I hope people who are watching this video look at this and go, wow, right? So that was a challenging thing to do, the tail, but yeah, it's I don't want to move this too much because I'm trying to navigate the camera around the plane, because I mean, here's my hand and the plane is huge. So yeah, it's really coming along. So much research and time has gone into this build. I mean, I do a lot for a lot of clients, and a lot, have remained, private, obviously, and I've done a lot of scratch builds, but this one here, has a lot has gone into it, and especially with the HK models. It was going great until I put the fuselage halves together, and then that's when it was just like, oh no. Yeah, I mean, the seam lines and whatnot, it would almost be easier if I just started from scratch and did it myself, but yeah. But there's the tail. Now, I think the guns might be a little too long. Even Mr. Briscoe commented on that. The guns might be too long, so I might chop them a little bit. I mean, those aren't even real anyway, right? Those are dowels. So again, we might get one more video out of this just to show you the engines. Maybe I can place them on. I mean, at this point, it's easy, right? They pretty much, the way I built this, they just kind of almost clip into place. The flaps are going to be easy enough to put on. And then the antennas, I mean, that's just gluing on. Those would come off quick in shipping if they got damaged. So, and then the landing gear, basically the way I have it, you just boop. And then it's pretty much done. So anyway, guys, if you want to talk to Mr. Briscoe, again, I don't want to say too much. I don't want to open my mouth, but he'll be in the comment section for sure. And say hi. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you soon.